In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a property on Agoda. Whether you're looking to make the most out of your vacation home or just getting started in the rental business, listing your property on Agoda can open doors to thousands of potential guests worldwide. Now let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to take. To start, you'll need to head over to Agoda's official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in agoda.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the site, it's time to sign into your account. Look for the sign in option, and here's a neat tip. You can log in swiftly using your Google account. It's a simple one-click process that connects your accounts and saves time on repeated logins. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Agoda homepage. It's a vibrant and welcoming space designed to help you on your journey as a host. Now focus on finding the List Your Place link. This is your gateway to adding your own property. Clicking it leads you to Agoda's hosting platform where you'll manage your property listing. Next, navigate to the Listings section. This area is essentially the control room of your hosting experience on Agoda. Here you'll see any existing listings you might have. If this is your first time, don't worry, it's all straightforward. Within the listings page, you'll notice the option to add a listing. Clicking on this will kickstart the process of showcasing your property to the world. When you select Add a Listing, you'll enter the Detailed Property Information Center. This is where you'll need to get creative and provide potential guests with all the essential details of what your property offers. From high quality photos to a captivating description, everything counts. Make sure to upload high resolution images that show your property in its best light. Remember, first impressions matter, especially online. Additionally, writing a compelling property description is key. Highlight unique features and amenities and offer insights into the local area to make your listing stand out. Don't forget to include important logistical details as well, such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, pet policies, and more. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, you'll submit your listing for review. Agoda will check everything to ensure your property adheres to their standards and guidelines before going live. This review period is crucial for maintaining quality across the platform. And there you have it, your property will soon be live on Agoda, ready to host guests from all over. Keep an eye on your dashboard for guest inquiries and bookings, and don't hesitate to update your listing should changes occur. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck on your journey as an Agoda host.